Today I'm making a short video. It's about Control-Shift-T. I saw a web article on Yahoo about why Control-Shift-T is so great on computers. And so actually I didn't know what Control-Shift-T did on web browsers until a few days ago. It restores the last closed tab on a web browser, and if you don't know what a tab is, one of these three things, or one of these things on the top of a web browser is a tab. And so if you accidentally close it, so I closed B in this case, A, B, C. If I hit Control-Shift-T, 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 all together at once, it'll restore the last tab that was closed. So it's pretty useful. Unlike tablet or phone browsers, when you close a tab, it doesn't have that undo tab thing. So the nice thing is Control-Shift-T works for all different types of browsers. This browser here was Chrome that I was trying out. Above here is Edge browser. And again, let me close the first one. This one says Australia search. Closed it. And now I just need to go down here, press Control-Shift-T, and it restores the Australia tab. So for Edge browser, as well as Chrome, Firefox, and Opera, they all use Control-Shift-T to restore the tab that might have been accidentally closed. So I'll do this for what's it called? Opera. I'm going to close C, the C tab, and I'm going to press Control-Shift-T. See that Google search for C is back. So that's all. I just wanted to make a short video about that, why Control-Shift-T is so great. It's just to reopen a tab that you might have accidentally closed. Or you could do it the long way, and I think another way is to use your mouse. If you right mouse click, they have the option to reopen closed window or tab, which is Control-Shift-T, you see? So I just right mouse clicked on the top of the browser, and then it should have an option for restore when they call it restore window, but you're really restoring a tab. So it's kind of sad that they're not using the correct terminology, in my opinion. But I'm, an amateur, so that's the second method. And the longer method is to go through the menu, the three dots, and look for your history, and you can open the tab that way. That's it.